Heat buildup on dry machining operations can be an expensive problem. It reduces tool life, messes up tolerances, and slows machining rates, which can ruin productivity. When cutting oil can be used, a heavy smoke cloud is generated that fills the machine shop. X-Air's cold gun can eliminate those problems. It converts an ordinary supply of compressed air to cold air that is 50 degrees Fahrenheit below the supply air temperature, which is a 28 degrees C drop. It's non-adjustable to prevent freeze-up, and it's set to provide the most cooling possible. Operation is quiet, and there are no moving parts to wear out. The cold gun prevents heat cracking of carbide during tool sharpening, and eliminates the tool edge burning while increasing tool life between regrinds. It is commonly used to cool fly cutters up to 460 millimeters in diameter, which helps increase the speeds and feeds and improve the overall finish of the part. You're sure to find the cold gun used in unique applications like this one, where the cold 20 degree Fahrenheit or minus 7 degrees C air chills the roll to keep the material on the surface from bunching up, jamming, or tearing. The cold gun is ideal for drill and cutter grinding, routing, plunge and form grinding, milling, surface grinding, drilling, tire grinding, bandsawing, plastic machining, laser cutting, for chill rolls, and setting hot melt adhesives. It'll remove heat to prolong tool life and increase the productivity on the machining operations when liquid coolants cannot be used. The cutting, drilling, sawing, and machining of plastics can be a real problem. Depending on the type of the plastic material that's used, it can easily melt and crack. In many cases, it gets gummy, which ruins the tolerances and the finish. The long stringy turnings can block the machinist's view of the part. For most applications, liquid coolant can't be used due to part contamination. The use of the cold gun keeps the part and the tool cool. It eliminates the melting and the cracking while prolonging the tool life. The stringy shavings are eliminated while improving the part tolerances and the dimensional accuracy. The cold gun is an alternative to expensive mist systems. It eliminates the cost associated with the purchase and the disposal of the cutting fluids. This drilling application is one where lubricity is needed due to the deep drilling operation. Prior to installation of the cold gun, a lot more mist coolant was required that ended up covering the machine, the floor, and the operator. As you can see, coolant flow is minimized and the cooling is provided by the cold gun. The elimination of liquid coolant can end worker-related health problems from breathing airborne coolants. There's no longer a need for an expensive mist evacuation system. It also eliminates the possibility of an accident from personnel slipping on a wet floor that's covered with coolant.
The cold gun instantaneously produces cold air from an ordinary compressed air source. Today the ambient temperature is about 75 degrees F or 24 degrees C. Typically, compressed air temperature and ambient temperature are about the same. As you can see, using the cold gun, we've produced a 50 degree F or 28 degrees C temperature drop.
Do you need more cooling for your application? X-Air's high-power cold gun produces twice the airflow of the standard cold gun. It provides the same 50 degree Fahrenheit temperature drop below the supply air temperature, but twice the amount of cold air. The high-power cold gun was nominated by a panel of judges at Plant Engineering magazine as a finalist for their 2007 Product of the Year award. The high-power cold gun is used in a wide variety of applications. These parts made for fitness machines are being laser cut. Prior to the installation of the high-power cold gun, the parts took over a minute to cool to a point where they could be picked up with gloves. Now the parts are cooled immediately during the laser cutting operation, and they can be picked up with bare hands. In this application, the high-power cold gun eliminates the chipping and splintering of PVC pipe that is cut to length. The single-point hose kit, which is included with the Model 5215 cold gun system and Model 5230 high-power cold gun system, is recommended for applications where a concentrated airflow is needed, such as drilling and grinding operations. The dual-point hose kit, which is included with the Model 5315 cold gun system and Model 5330 high-power cold gun system, is recommended for applications where the heat is generated over a larger surface area. It's ideal for applications such as bandsawing, milling, and setting hot melt adhesives. Replace your messy mist system and improve dry machining operations with X-Air's cold gun or high-power cold gun air coolant system. They're intelligent compressed air products that are built to last. If you'd like to know more about X-Air's cold gun products, please contact an X-Air application engineer at 1-800-903-9247 for the US and Canada. Our worldwide number is 513-671-3322.